Hey everyone, we've had some questions about how to use HonorLock, so I thought it might be easier for me just to make a quick video just to show you how the steps look for this. So what you'll want to do is go into your Blackboard account. Over on the left, click on the HonorLock button and you'll see this link. So click on the HonorLock link and you'll see a list of the test and the final exam should all be here. What you'll want to do is click on Launch next to the quiz or the test that you want to open. And the first thing you'll need to do here is just agree to HonorLock's terms. If you've never used HonorLock before, at this point it may ask you to download an extension. So I am using Chrome, so we do recommend using Google Chrome or Firefox. So be sure to use one of those two browsers. I've already downloaded the extension, so I don't need to do anything here other than just go into Begin Authentication. When you begin your authentication, it's going to ask you for a student ID. It doesn't have to be a student ID. It can be your driver's license, but you just have to have some form of identification. And also you'll have to take a picture. I've disabled those two things just for the sake of this video, but just a heads up in case you do see that you're asked for those two things. Now this next step, it's going to ask me to share my screen. Okay, so when you click on Continue, inside this black box, you should see your screen, and you have to actually click on this. Then you'll see it's outlined in blue. So once you click on it, then click Share, and at this point you're sharing your screen with HonorLock. Now you can scroll up and you'll see where it says Open the exam site. So click on Open exam site, and this should automatically take you to XYZ homework. Now this is a message that tells you how the password is going to be entered. So I'm just going to click OK. I'll show you how to enter the password. First thing you would do, of course, is log in unless you're already logged in, and then go to your course. So in this case, I'm using Math 102, but it's the same for all courses. I'm going to open the HonorLock practice quiz. So you can do that by clicking on the day that it's due, and then down below the calendar you'll see where that assignment is. So here it says HonorLock practice quiz. So open it. And now this is where some people are having trouble. What we're looking for is a button that says Insert Password, and it's not here. So a lot of times what happens is that button is actually hidden back here behind the Google Chrome window. So what we're going to do next is actually just come up to the top and minimize the XYZ window, and you'll see the button is back here, or the window that we're looking for is actually back here hidden behind the XYZ homework website. So click on Input Exam Password. You'll see the password is automatically filled in at that point, and then you can click on Resume, or in this case, you can click on Start Your Test, or in this case, I can resume from where I was earlier. So now that you're in the test or the quiz, you'll be able to answer your questions. For the HonorLock practice quiz, the only question is just letting you know that you've successfully opened the practice quiz, and if you're ready to close it, you just click on Yes, and then you're given a grade for this quiz. So the purpose of this quiz is just to be sure that you understand all the steps for opening HonorLock before we actually get to a test. So I hope this helps, and please let us know if you have any questions.